Hey everyone! Today, we're exploring the OriGlam 4-way multifunctional utilities key, a versatile and essential tool for anyone in plumbing, electrical work, or general maintenance. Let's dive into why this compact gadget is creating such a buzz. The OriGlam 4-way key is designed for maximum utility, providing 4 different key shapes: small square, large square, triangle, and round. These are crafted from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and long-term use. It's a perfect fit for opening various utility cabinets, gas meter boxes, water meter boxes, and more. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this tool promises to be a game changer. One of the standout features is its portability. Weighing just 1.98 ounces, it's incredibly lightweight and can be attached to a keyring, making it convenient to carry around. Imagine having this multifunctional tool right in your pocket, ready to tackle any job that comes your way. The compact size, 2.83 by 2.83 by 0.59 inches, means it won't add any bulk, which is fantastic for professionals who need to move quickly and efficiently. Let's talk about practical applications. This tool is a lifesaver for electricians and plumbers who need quick and easy access to various control panels and meter boxes. Instead of carrying multiple keys, the OriGlam 4-way key consolidates your tools into one, saving time and reducing hassle on the job. Users have reported how this tool simplifies their daily tasks, making it a staple in their toolkits. For example, if you're an electrician, you might find yourself needing to open different electrical control boxes throughout the day. With the OriGlam key, you can easily switch between the different key shapes to match the specific box you're working with. Similarly, plumbers can quickly access water meter boxes and other utility cabinets without having to fumble through a bunch of different keys. Now, let's delve deeper into the pros and cons based on customer feedback and expert opinions. Pros: the OriGlam key is made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring it can withstand heavy use without bending or breaking. This durability is crucial for a tool that's meant to be used frequently in tough environments. With 4 different key shapes, it can open a wide variety of utility boxes, making it extremely versatile. Whether you need to access a gas meter, water meter, or an electric control box, this tool has got you covered. Its lightweight design and the ability to attach it to a keyring make it easy to carry around. You'll always have it on hand when you need it, without any extra bulk. Priced competitively, the OriGlam key offers great value for money, especially considering its multifunctional capabilities. It's a small investment that can make a big difference in your daily work routine. Cons: while the tool is versatile, it only works with utility boxes that match the key shapes provided. Before purchasing, ensure it fits your specific needs to avoid any inconvenience. Some sellers, especially on platforms like eBay, may not accept returns. It's important to double-check the return policy before making a purchase to ensure you're protected if the tool doesn't meet your expectations. Customer reviews highlight the tool's efficiency and practicality. Many users appreciate how it simplifies their work, making it a staple in their toolkit. For instance, one user mentioned how it saved them time on the job by eliminating the need to carry multiple keys. Another user praised its sturdy construction, noting that it felt solid and reliable even after extensive use. In summary, the OriGlam 4-way multifunctional utilities key is an excellent addition to any professional's toolkit. Its durability, versatility, and portability make it a worthwhile investment for anyone needing quick and reliable access to various utility boxes. Whether you're a plumber, electrician, or just someone who loves having the right tools on hand, this key is sure to impress. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews. You will find the Amazon's link on the description of this video.